close, Zoe. Oh!
Wow!
You're cruising, Jay.
Wow! It takes a good bounce off the wall.
He's getting the turn. She's saying monster truck.
I don't think you'll need this box. I think he likes it.
Yeah, I don't think you have to worry about that. Come back out here with it.
That's great.
Where are you guys?
See, Adrian, I told you that.
Here it comes.
So I thought the same thing. I was like, it would be so cool to see him control.
I saw that.
I don't know, maybe too young, but.
I thought he would love it, and I was right, because he loves it.
This is great. Excuse me.
Look, Jay, look. If you press this one, press it down. Look, this way, down. Press it to you. Look. Now it goes backwards, too. See? Get out of the way. Ready? Go ahead. Go ahead. That way?
The other way.
There you go.
Whoa! Woohoo!
Turn around, ready? Look. This way. Go. Oh, you want to make him crash?
Yeah, he likes the
Do we like the crashing? Go backwards.
That one's not going to move. Where's the green one not going nowhere?
Go backwards.
Backwards. There you go.
Good job. Yeah, man.
Ah,
Bye-bye.
Ready? Go.
Remember when you used to build these things?
Ah. Oh. Mommy, I guess we got to get you one too, huh?
She just likes to watch.
You alright? That's my choice. You okay? Get some of that? Oh, that's
Whoa.
that.
Whoa.
That was
I
a
know.
big
You
one.
parked?
I balked. Go backwards, babe.
This one. Back to you.
Let me give baby a kiss.
Whoa. Oh, man, you got me. Right? Down the hole.
Doesn't get old.
This is funny. All right. I got